Hello students, today we will see Hans Christian Oersted's experiment. Hans Christian Oersted in 1820, he discovered that whenever electric current passed through the conductor, there was a magnetic field which was getting created around the conductor, and which is a fact. So, as he must be doing some experiments, there are many stories behind this, but it is said that he was doing certain experiment related to electricity, and there was a magnetic compass which was lying near one of the wires that was carrying a DC current, and he observed that whenever current used to pass through that wire, the magnetic needle which was kept near the magnetic compass which was kept near the wire used to get deflected. So he started. So this led to that created a curiosity in the mind of Hans Christian Oersted, and he performed various experiments, and he's one of the experiment which clearly establishes the fact that magnetic field is created around a conductor has become the fact, or it is the law of the physics, that whenever electric current passes through the conductor, it produces a magnetic field around it. So let us see that activity. First of all, let us see this activity. This is the circuit. This is the same circuit but in the two different states. This is the circuit in which the conductor is aligned in a north-south direction. Direction of the conductor is in north-south. You can see if this is the north side, this is the south side, this is east, and this is west. So if you keep a magnetic needle in this, magnetic needle will always point in north-south direction when it is not near any of the magnetic material, or if it is not near any other magnetic compass. So this magnetic needle is away from any of the magnetic compass, so magnetic needle will always point in north-south direction. Okay, so now what is done? This is a conductor. This conductor is connected to positive terminal and negative terminal. So the direction of current is this. So when switch was on and when this type of magnetic needle was brought near, you can see that the north pole of the needle got attracted towards the conductor. So there was something which was attracting the magnetic needle towards itself. Instead of magnetic needle aligning in the north-south direction, the north pole of the needle got deflected or got attracted towards the current carrying conductor. Okay, then Hans Christian Oersted changed the direction of the current. When he changed the direction of the current, he saw that the magnetic needle, south pole of the magnetic needle, got attracted towards the conductor. So that means there is something which is getting created around a conductor, and that is attracting one particular pole and repelling the other pole. So that is nothing but the magnetic field. Yes, magnetic field is produced around a current carrying conductor, and the direction of the magnetic field which is produced around the magnetic conductor attracts north pole and attracts south pole when the direction of the needle, when the direction of the current was changed. So students, try to understand, Hans Christian Oersted was the first person to establish the fact that magnetic field is produced around a bar magnet, around a current carrying conductor, and the magnetic field which is produced around the current carrying conductor is similar to the magnetic field which is produced around the bar magnet. It has all the characteristics similar to the characteristic that the magnetic lines of forces that have which are produced around the bar magnet. So students, remember that whenever electric current passes through a conductor, it produces a magnetic field around it. Thank you.